Hey guys, it's Raging Ball of Fire, and yeah, today I'm on Animal Jam, and guess what? I got the Screencast-O-Matic. I'm like so happy. I've been wanting this for so long. Actually, not that long because I didn't really know about it. But once I found out what it was, I really wanted it. So, and it was actually oh, okay, never mind. So, yeah. Wait, what was I gonna say? Anyway, yeah. I really wanted this. I'm so happy that I got it. It was actually free. So, yeah, I'm really happy. And my friend Frozen Pants wants me. But, you're a non-member now, or what? I don't know what's going on here. Wait. What? Oh, I get it. Oh. Oh. I'm sorry. Guess what? I finally got Screencast-O-Matic. Yay. Oh, wait, I mean... Okay, well, yeah. Yeah, blah. I'm so sorry you got banned, Frozen Pants. I'm really sorry. I'm so sorry. Yeah. So, I'm just gonna hang out in this video, I guess. There's not really much to do, so, yeah. Just have fun. Yeah. Awesomeness. Yes, Animal Jam does rock. I'm sorry guys, I kinda caught a cold a bit, and now I'm like coughing everywhere. But I'm pretty fine now though. Now I just like randomly cough at the most random times. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm so weird. Gazzy. Yeah. By the way, guys, I'm gonna start a new thing. I'm gonna start a new thing. Llamas are in. Yes. I'm so sorry. You're gonna get it back tomorrow. You're gonna get it back. Guess what else? I'm so awesome, bro. What, really? My is Blah blah blah. By the way, I used to have wait, what? 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 I'm so jealous. I'm so jealous. I'm so sorry. I'm really sorry. I'm so sorry. Yeah, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Jelly equal goop plus jelly equals blob. Awesomeness. Awesomeness. So yeah, I'm kind of just hanging out in this video anyway. So yeah, just hanging out. Little Frozen Pals is like my best friend on here. I mean, she is so awesome. Awesome. Like, my best friends on here are like, shout out to Bushstar. Let's see. Shout out to my cousin Bunny Girl. Shout out to Chicken. Yeah. Shout out to. I mean, Darth Island used to be my friend, but like, we don't really hang out anymore. So I don't know what's going on with this. Enderman 155. It's pretty much me. Yeah. I'm awesome. I know him out of the game. He goes to my like school thing. Little Frozen Pals is pretty much her, but yeah. Let's see, who else? Rafa Baker! How could I forget about you, bro? He's so awesome. Let's see. Scared the cat Rockster. I don't even I don't remember the last time I saw her. But like, once I saw her using me, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to be your friend, right? Right? Anyway, let's see. Torpedo Man. Yeah, I never hang out with him anymore. I don't really like him. Yeah. Evil. And yeah, I think that's oh, I skipped holidays. Yeah. That's it. Oh, and also like Pikachu and Mariko Love. He's my bro. My actual brother. In Animal Jam, not in real life. That'd be weird. Yeah. It's my bro. So yeah. Shout out to all the people I just said. And yeah. So I'm just pretty much hanging out in this video. So thanks. Wait, what? Oh yeah. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna make more videos of these Animal Jam stuff, and then I'm gonna make some Sims videos too. So I'm really excited about it. So yeah. See you guys later. Bye.